Hi guys, and welcome to YouTubers Connect. How are you guys doing? Alright, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go check out my previous videos, and if you like what you see there, you can then consider to subscribe. And always turn on the notification bell on, as that would give you an update anytime I post a new video. So guys, let's get in today. So guys, in the previous video you saw, I showed you how to apply for monetization, which is the step 1. The step 2, I'm going to put a link in the description below, just in case you didn't meet up with that, so that you can know how to apply before watching this one. And this is only for those who are ready for monetization. If you are not ready for monetization yet, it's also okay for you to get to know about this. Alright guys, so let's jump in. So guys, enough of all the talking, let's get into the business of today. The third phase, or the final phase of monetization. So guys, once you've been sent a particular email, I'm going to show you the email now, congratulating you that you've been accepted into the monetization partnership. Alright, that's into the YouTube partnership program. Once you've been accepted, this is what your monetization panel will be. Remember that panel that has the dollar sign? This one you see on red on the left hand side under the profile picture. Now that is where you go to once you get the email, and this is what you find there. Now you see monetization options and all that. Just in case you want to know more, you see there's a video there, intro to making money. You see that? That's it. So the first step I want to take here is I want to read what they said here. Getting paid. What you need to do, no action needed right now. You haven't met with the payment threshold. Now there's nothing I need to do here now. That's in terms of adding the account and this thing. You understand? When can I set up for payment? Okay, when we will notify you when you are ready to complete payment setup, including, you can see them all listed there. Confirming your personal information, confirming your submitting your tax information, providing a form of payment. Okay, so let's go into the main thing of the day. This is the first step, which is approving or turning on your ads. So you click on turn on ads, and they're going to be bringing before you some certain kinds. For the first time, I think I'm going to just turn on all kind of ads should be turned on. You understand now? We can always come and turn anyone off later. So I click on next. Now it says all my existing videos should be monetized, or I will choose. Let's choose monetize all. Monetize all. Monetizing your video. Now this usually takes a few minutes. Things you need to know. So guys, see your earnings, see your estimate earnings in the YouTube analytics, and your final monthly earnings in the AdSense. Okay, accessing support. Okay, that's part of the things that you get. So I think I'm gonna turn on this partnership program options, so that if you want to change your associated this stuff, you can see the date here. It has been associated. I think this is 27, 4 days ago. So that's when I applied, and they approved day before yesterday. And here we are, introduction to your earnings. So yeah, that's that. So we go to the supers. I think this is super chats for your live stream and your premiere. So we click get started. So we go in. You can take your time to read all of this. So here is a requirement. Governing law. Your full name required. Email address. Okay. So you're gonna fill all of this. Once you fill everything, then you click accept. So when you're done answering, putting your name, your email, and your company name, you can put anything as your company name, then you click accept. Now that would activate your super chat activities. So there's no super chat activities, no super chats yet. We aren't able to show super chat transaction at this time. So you do not have access to super thanks yet. Okay, yeah, that's another one. I think some countries already have access to that super thanks already. So super chats are open. Super chats, super stickers. I don't know. Yeah. So I think that's that. So the overview is that we are monetized already and we have activated monetization. So guys, this channel is officially making the money right now. So guys, now you can see when you turn on your monetization, you see the monetization tab here after visibility, monetization. So it tells you videos that are monetized, that are on for monetization already. And guys, be careful not to click on your ads by yourself. I think that's one of the rules. That's against the rules. Okay. All right, guys. All right, so guys, that's how you activate your monetization, or you turn on your ads, or after being accepted into the YouTube Partners Program. So thank you for watching. If you love what you just finished watching, please do subscribe, like, and share. All right, and always turn the notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.